Life's alright in Devil Town. We're right, no one's gonna catch us now. Dad has bought a new car now.
Some proper saucy questions for the group chat. Who is the biggest simp?
I'm sorry for simping.
Who can't handle a love life?
I'm never gonna be in a relationship.
Who would die first in a zombie apocalypse? Who has the worst taste in boys?
Where can we start? We like them and we like them smart.
Most likely to marry a guy they just met.
It's true love.
Who's going to get a sugar daddy?
Daddy's money.
Who is the sugar daddy?
I'm rich. And I'm a little bit of a bitch.
Who would willingly be kidnapped by someone hot?
I think you look like a sexy motorcycle. Vroom, vroom.
Who's the most cringy?
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world.
Who's the worst dancer in the group?
I love dancing.
Who has the best laugh? Who would date older guys? Who has the best fashion sense? Period. Most like to pee their pants and like the warm feeling.
I'm a bad boy.